In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the CapCut template link not working. This should be a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. If you notice that template links are not working properly in your application, you can delete the app cache to reset your app. To do that, check your templates first. In my case, it is working. After that, go back to Home. Click the gear icon, then click Settings. Here you can see the app cache. Click the Delete button, then click OK. Wait until all the cache gets deleted, and your app should work again. The template link should work. If this does not fix the problem, reinstall the app and it should work properly. As you can see, if you go to templates now, it should work for you. This was an easy and quick process. As always, thank you for watching.